Okay, today we gotta talk about the number 6 7 because I have seen this number like 6 or 7 times today. You can see the time right there. That's what the date and that's what the hour is. But guess what? I have seen it like 6 7 times. First, when I was going to school in the morning, I was crossing the road, and then one car pulled over after me, and then I look at it, its plate number, and guess what? It's 6 7. And then when I was in algebra class, I had one difficulty with a one math problem. Then I tried to solve it with a calculator, and the answer is 6 7. And then at the last lesson, I asked my teacher like how many months we got to graduate because it's my last year. I'm in the high school, and she said I don't know, about 6 7 months. And then the last one just happened like 3 or 2 minutes ago. I was looking at my email that I haven't been checking it like a month, and I got 67. I mean 6 7 new messages. This number is just everywhere. I have a two series. First, it was always everywhere. We did the nuts. Second, it's being everywhere after it got meme and it got popular. We gotta stop this, okay? We gotta stop this.